In today's video, I'm going to talk about the AI tool, that is the subscriber. With the help of you can find out the topic, research your next content ideas, and the best part, with this AI tool you can generate the scripts with the hooks. So here are the steps that every video needed to, from starting to the complete and the publishing. You need to find out the topics, you need to planning, you need to research, and then you have to write the script, and later on, based on the script, you have to do the recordings and the editing. But with this tool, you are going to just skip the first three steps. Like, you don't need to plan, you don't need to find out the topics, you don't need to start creating the scripts. This AI tool will help you with the planning and scripting here. Then based on that, you can just record the videos, edit, and then publish. And not only that, with the recent update, this tool now also able to generate the thumbnails for you. So in this section, what you have to do, you have to just grab the link of any of the video thumbnail that you find out really good. For example, I grabbed the link of this video here, and after that I had just given the link here, and now it just generated a prompt and then generated this thumbnail for me. So that's how its thumbnail generator works out. So in today's video, I will talk about a subscriber. I will give you out all the features in this platform offering. I will show you how you can use this AI to generate the scripts for you, and later on I will show you how you can even generate the thumbnails for your video. So without wasting any more time, let me get started. Right now, subscriber AI lifetime deal is available on the app Sumo, and if you scroll down below, we have the multiple tier plans available. Every tier plan have the limits of this scripts credits. For example, in the tier 1 plan, you don't have the any script writing credits at all. Means the tier 1 plan although give you the some of the ideas and the topics per month, but you cannot generate the scripts. Starting the script generation, you have to go for the tier 2 or the tier 3 plan here, and here you can see out we have also some of the limitations in the tier 1 plan. So that's why I suggest get at least the tier 2 plan, because here we have the all the features access along with the script generation. So once you got the lifetime deal, this is the dashboard you are going to log in. So for the first thing, I want to suggest you that you need to connect your YouTube channel on this platform. Simply click here on the add channel, and after that you have to just give the some of the videos ideas or the channel description, and after that your channel will be instantly linked with this platform here. So that is how this works out, and after that you can see I have just linked some of the channels here. Then after that we have to go on the this home section, that is the intel here. So in the intel, we can just see what are the hot channels in our competitions and how much the score or the what topics they are covering here. Okay, so that's way you are also just monitoring your competitors. Then we have the channel section that I have showed you already, that here you can connect your YouTube channel. In the tools section, we have all the tools, like this is the video breakdown, this is the description generator, hooks generator, keyword research, title generator, tag generator, thumbnail grabber, and even the thumbnail generator. So completing or combining all these tools, we have around the 8 tools in the subscriber. The most engaging one, we have the generating the script. So we will go to selecting any the channel here, and after that you can see all the scripts we have generated, the planning, scripting, recording, editing, and the publishing. We have a Kanban dashboard available to easily monitoring or checking out or getting the bird's view on which videos topics right now we are on the planning, which right now we are in the scripting we have recorded. So we are getting a visual tracking of all these things. So let's creating a first script. Click on the create script, and after that you have to give the topic here. Like for me, I want to create a topic on this thing, like this AI create my YouTube videos script in minutes. So this is the my title or the topic here. Then what I can do, I can simply scroll down below, or I can also hit here on the voice input, and later on I can give the more context on this topic. So suppose this is just the description or the information or the context I have given my topic. Click here on the enter, and now it will start giving me a chat GPT kind of the view. In that, I am just going to just chat with this section or the feature, and it will help me out like how many minutes I want to video length I want to be. Okay, this is my titles, and based on that I have also got the some of the title, like this AI writes my YouTube script in 2 minutes better than me, stop writing script, this AI does it all for you, full tutorial. So I like this one here. Okay, and this is also the angle I am getting here. So I'm going to just copy this one, and after that you can see this is the strategy and the angle. This is ready to start the script. Okay, so I selected this. Okay, then hit the enter, and based on that it is going to just start giving me out like I want the around 8 minutes 13 words. Okay, so I will add here 1300 words. My video will be there around the 5 minutes to 8 minutes, so I have given that. Okay, now you can see, got it. To wrap this up, create this script, I just need the name of the AI tool. So the name of the AI tool is the subscriber AI. Okay, I have given that, and now let's see what the thing it is going to next do it for me. Let's confirm the final description or details before, like the topic, title. Yes, everything is good here. Yes, yes, I confirm. Okay, so I have confirmed that, and now it will start generating the script for me. You can see creating the script. This is the planning questions, adding the research, and you can see now my script will be start generating out here. This is the like the outlines I got, and this is the really instantly fast it is done here. Okay, so if you want to add the few more things for the research, you can add that. If I click here on the add research, it will ask me to add the URLs, add the some of the text information, or I can also add the some of the YouTube videos links if I have here. Okay, so I liked everything here. Click on the generate outline, and now it will start generating the outline for me. And here you can see it is using the GPT 5.2 model, but we have also the other models as well, so I can select based on me. This is the base here. I can select with like this challenge. This is basically template for video scripting. You can go on finding out. Then this is the channel I have selected. So right now I am also just generating this for my channel here. So I got the opening here. Okay, this is all the outlines. This is the body. This is the body 2, conclusion here. So that's how it has generated the outline for me. But now what I want to just get it the full script here. Okay, so I can go on the continue to scripting here, and now generate the script. So it is going to generate the whole script based on the outline it has given, and I have confirmed that every outline I like that it has given me. Okay, so now you can see it is running, and it has right now generated 200, around the 300. So every second it is adding the new words in the script, and while it is generating, you can read out like opening, stop writing script, promise plus what you will build today, 100 words. Okay, how long do you sit there, start staring at the blank Google Doc? You type one line, delete it. Okay, so this is giving you a hook here, and this is the body. So first jump into the subscriber, and okay, it has generated all this stuff. You can read out. So this is the script it has generated for you. Okay, and by the way, I like this script here. And now what I can do, I can just go to, like if I found anything like the AI, I can just humanize it. I can regenerate the script here. So once thing is done, I can just go to here, like copy export, and I can copy as the Word, I can copy as the PDF, and I can open the teleprompter. So when I open the teleprompter, suppose this thing is opening on my phone or the iPad, I can just open up, and now it will start showing up me like this big words, and it will be start scrolling because I will just starting. So what I have to do right now, I have to just read it and talk it, speak it, and my script will be in my voice recorded here. So that's how not only this tool is going to help you find out the topics or the ideas for your video, it will generate the outlines, it will generate the full script for you, and then it will open up the its teleprompter that you have to read, and in your voice your script will be the recorded. So I love this thing here. Now the next thing what I want to talk about is that feature that help you to generate the thumbnails for you. So here you can see this is the thumbnail section available. If you just want to explore the ideas, you can go to the ideas section, and here you will start finding out the ideas. But I want to right now generate the thumbnail. So here's the thumbnail. You can just get started with the two options. Like first one is the brainstorm, second one we have the clone and the remix. So I'm going to clone any of the thumbnail that I liked on the YouTube. So I will go to the YouTube here, and I will find out that any of the, like this is the thumbnail, suppose I want to copy. So I'm just giving you the demo here how these features look like. I'm not encouraging you to copy any thumbnail, I want to just get the inspiration. Okay, so I like this one here, so I will go to the clone feature, and after that I will simply add this link. Okay, I have to get the link first, copy link, and then after that we have to paste the link here, and here it is also going to ask the video title. So I will grab the video title as well. Let me grab the title, get back here, paste it here. Yeah, that is good here. Okay, this is the title, and now simply I have to click here on the generate thumbnail. Okay, so simply click here on the generate thumbnail, and now it will start just analyzing the thumbnail, and you can see it will adding the prompt here. It is going to do everything automatically, so you don't have to do anything here. Okay, so once this thing analyzing done, it will give you the thumbnail here. So we have to also select how many thumbnails we want to generate here. So I want to generate only the one thumbnail, but for the variations you can go with the 2 or the 3. So right now I am only selecting the 1, and once this analyzing style thing is done, I can just give it the this one button action that I want to generate thumbnail. Yeah, you can see after analyzing the thumbnail, it has filled the prompt here. You can use this prompt on the other AI tools for the image generation as well here. Okay, so right now let me click here on the generate one thumbnail, and now it will start the creation for my thumbnail here. You can see composing visual elements here. So while this thumbnail is generating, I can go on the other features as well. So let me give you the quick overview of the other features as well. I have talked about the ideas, I have talked about the thumbnails. This is the script section that I have showed you in the detailed steps how this work out here. So right now you can see I have in this scripting section, so I have just scripted here, and now once the recording is done, I can just make it and move to this Kanban board, and I can instantly view or the track on the which step for the which video I am right now here. So this is how the script looks like. With this other feature, what you can do, you can get the detailed information on your audience. So which audience you are targeting. So my audience is the tech savvy, I am getting this one. My audience age is this one, the income, education. So I'm getting the detailed information on my audience here, and the questions that the interest my audience here. So creating or just connecting my YouTube channel on this platform, I am also getting the targeting audience information. This is the competitors. With this feature, you can just monitor all of your competitors recent videos, how they are performing, how much the views they are getting here. Now let me see. Yeah, my thumbnail is generated here, and you can see it is pretty much insane here. I love this one. You can see a person holding a phone, legit or hype, and I love this one here. So that's how it can generate the thumbnail for you. Okay, later on what you can do using the AI tool, you can replace this person head with your own head here. So this thing works out. I find I have manually done that. If you click here on the auto improve, there is some things that you can also improve, and there's also the edit section available that lets you edit. If you want to edit anything, you can do that here. You can also upload an image of yours, and this will works out. Okay, and this is the competitor intel. I have showed you that how this works out. Shows you all of the your recent videos of the competitors here. Okay, then this is the settings. This will give you some of the configuration for your setting, voice templates or the research. So this thing I suggest do not touch it. This is the tools I have showed you that most of the subscriber users use here. As the subscriber user, I mostly use for generating the script like I have showed you earlier with the step by step, and just watching or the getting monitor of the my planning, scripting or the recording status here. So that's all for today's video. I want to talk about the subscriber. This tool is really amazing, and right now it's back again on the App Soma with the lifetime deal. So I suggest you should not miss it out. In my suggestion, I think you should get the tier 2 or the tier 3 plan if you want to create the multiple video scripts. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.